Frustrated with the libobjc-2.dll pop-up blocking your desktop software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. While preparing the manual steps for libobjc-2, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the libobjc-2, version 2 of the Objective-C Runtime. It provides the unmanaged execution environment for Objective-C code, managing the data link between method calls and the binary execution manifest. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. It's important to note that libobjc-2.dll is installed as part of your desktop software and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of your desktop software from the official source will restore the correct version of libobjc-2 to your PC. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including libobjc-2, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The version of libobjc-2.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on libobjc-2. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing libobjc-2 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.